Guess I'm coming, okay? So this is my hair salon. Tell me what I gotta do. So easily, I don't know. I sent 200,000 to. I wanted to send with this app. I sent it to someone in Sokoto. Yesterday, well, look at it. I think these are all packet hairs. Who?
It's also twins.
Okay. Muna, they go. I'm trying to film. Please go away.
Oh, yeah, come.
What a beautiful people. Welcome back or to the channel. It's me again, Evelyn Unduka. Today is Sunday and I'm going to the shop. Yes, I open 7 days a week. New business, you don't need to have break, but sometimes when I'm tired I stay at home. But I stay home on Mondays because Mondays are sometimes so sometimes you have customers and sometimes you don't have. So today, don't mind my background is rough, my wardrobe is broken, I'm trying to fix it. Don't mind my background, okay? So today I'm going to the shop. I have hair to do and today is Sunday. I normally take my kids out on Sundays towards in the evening. So let me see, maybe by 5 I'll come back and take them out. So right now let's just go to the shop and I'm going to use this scent. This I think this is a dupe, Coca's Madame Rose. So this one is a dupe for that Chanel. I have the original one before but I don't really like it, but I just saw this one, the dupe, and it's very cheap, so I have to buy. And today I'm looking fabulous. Yeah, I like to look fabulous sometimes, so not every time. Sometimes I just wake up and dress up and leave. Today is Sunday. I decided to put a little bit effort, except for makeup. I'm too lazy. I don't remember the last time I put on makeup. So yeah, I'm just going to put on my lip gloss and voila, I'm done. I also said lip glosses in my shop, so I just took this on and I love it. First, how I do it, I need to use this balm just to achieve that. Hey, since I come Nigeria, like I started having pink lip. Yeah, in Nigeria, Abuja for that matter, that is hot. I just apply little. And I go with this one. They're very nice. One thing about Nigeria is things are grade by grade. Anyone you can afford, you think. So I'm at the shop now. A client of mine brought her old wig for rewigging. So I've done the measurements already. I want to start rewigging this hair. This hair came on my last video. I said this hair came round. Let me see, like this. The lace is very bad, that's why she wants to change it. It doesn't fit her, so I did the measurement of her hair and let me see how this hair is. Okay, I have long hair, so you see it's a round hair, those one that doesn't have any fitting. So I've done her hair measurement. I measured her hair. I want to transfer this weave on to this place. So that's what we're going to do today before we go out. I'm done for the day. So today is Sunday. Like I said, I want to go out, maybe go and drink tea and buy pizza for my kids. I was supposed to take them out, but it's late already. Let me just hurry up and go out. And when I come tomorrow, I'm going to use the opportunity to show you guys my shop. My shop is absolutely beautiful and amazing. This is my second shop. I sell all types of hair care products here. Very soon I'm expecting some goods from China. I want to start selling packet hairs, not human hairs, packet hairs. So this is my workstation. So this is my hair salon. Clock it here. So let's go out. I'm going to take you as guys along with me to go to this place we normally go every Sunday. Should I fix lashes? I'm thinking of fixing lashes, or maybe tomorrow. My sister is always with me. I'm going. So this is the place we normally come every Sunday. This is my sister. Just my sister and I. So I'm going to order something now. It's very dark. I got voice of Caesar.
It's nothing I wish for anybody. But it looks like some of the real ones. The real one.
Thank you. So I came with side, yeah? This is how it normally comes, right? This was what I was asking about. Okay.
The common people are starting against.
No. It's the salad. Thank you.
The big resources that are available here around them.
See the way I destroy this food. Wow, this fish is so good. Yeah. Going back home now. Swart. I bought pizza. What? It's pizza. Pizza. Good morning. It's Monday morning, so I'm going to. My kids are still sleeping. I'm going to warm food for them for school. Chama, you there? Good morning. The leftover pizza. I'm going to warm it. One thing about me, I don't like leftover pizza. I'm going to steam it because if I put it in the microwave, there's not much light here. If I put it in the microwave, I don't like how it will be stiff. So I don't know how to do this pizza. I don't know if I should just give them like that, since I didn't keep it in the fridge. I'll just put it in a separate lunch box for them because my kids love pizza. This pizza is so big yesterday, and now it's remaining just 3. I didn't eat at all because I was so full from that fish we ate. This big box is 20,000. So most of the times, once we cook fried rice, my kids don't know how to do that much, especially my first son. Now I'm food so easily. I don't know. There was light throughout yesterday. I don't know what happened. Our solar is like, the battery is low. I don't know what happened. And there was light. The thing didn't charge at all. See, faults. There is no battery. Oh my goodness. Guess I'm coming, okay? Why are you angry? Yep, I want to go and drop my kids in school. Once I come back, I'm going to sleep. Today is Monday. Sometimes I don't go to work on Monday. Why sometimes I do go to work? Let me just see, but I need to sleep. I'm just like waiting for them to get to school first. Let's go. Let me go and dress up. So we have this man that wants to come and fix some things. My wardrobe is broken, so I'm just trying to fix some things that are broken in the house. So I think he wants to go and buy some things, and I was in deep, those kind of early morning sleep. Hey God, those kind of early morning sleep that no matter what, and there is cold, like, oh my God, Abuja is very cold. So my mom brought the account number for me to send 16,000 to the guy to buy something, only for me to send the money to someone else. 16,000 is gone this morning. Today is Monday. I don't even want to go to work, but because of that, I'm so angry. I have something to do. Let me go to work. I must pay for it, and because of that one, I'm going to starve myself, deprive myself or something, because that is carelessness. That sleep is something that, oh my god, 16,000. So this is not my first time, but with this one is untraceable. There was one time like that, I think around 3 months ago. I sent 200,000 to, I wanted to send the 200,000 to my other account. I think this one was network. I don't know what happened with this app. I sent it to someone in Sokoto. So God may have it, there are good Nigerians. Seriously, we still have good Nigerians out there, because tell me how I sent 200,000 to someone and that person returned it back to me. He took 20,000 because he said he's in the village. He has to walk up. I think he came out. He has to walk from his village like 2 hours to the town just to confirm if the money is in his account. Then he sent me 180. I was like, I've never. It's a movie. Like, I'm like, Jesus Christ, Jesus. This is like, there are good Nigerians out there. Good Nigerians. We still have good people. Like, yes. So I'm going to work. Let me go and make my hair. My hair is rough. Let me do new hair, take good care of myself, and yeah.
Taking care of my body.
So who is your role model in this body lifestyle? So who is your role model?
Yesterday I wasn't able to show you guys the hair because I didn't finish the hair yesterday, but look at it. I finished it today, and I bought some goods from Lagos, just a few packet hair attachments. I'm going to show you guys. They just brought it now. Let's go to my shop and unbox. My shop is very big. This is just the one I bought from Lagos. I think buying from China is so good. It's much better. It's cheaper, and they have lots and lots of varieties. Lagos is trying though. See, these are all packet hairs. They ask a lot about this, so I have to buy this one. I'm so happy. This store now my new baby. I'm spending all my money here. Like, I also bought some hair because there's this hairstyle I want to start making. Yeah, guess what? I bought this African comb. What? When last did your hairdresser use this? So we'll be using some of these in the shop, and I'll sell some as well. So these are, let me show you the hairs we have. Ooh, I love it. I love it. So I'm going to do TikTok videos now with these ones, because I've made my hair. I would have loved to, do some.